KVD, you made my day. Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. My name is Ina. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, and specifically KVD Beauty Mystery Bag unboxing. Now before jumping into it, I must say I don't have high expectations because from my experience in the past mystery bags that I've gotten from companies in general, normally I would get like either items that have been on sale or from past seasons. So regardless where I'm gonna get today, I have not bought anything from KVD for years. I used to love her products. I don't know why I kind of walked away from it. So I'm super excited to give it another try and see what we get. So the mystery box itself came in a box like this. I had to rip off the address. I hope you understand. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. I'm excited. I got it yesterday and oh my god, I have no idea how I resisted not to open, okay? I have no idea. Okay, so let's see what we got in here. Everything comes into a bag. Well, as you're gonna open it, you're gonna see it all. So the way they were advertising is there was 8 full-size items included in the mystery bag. These two were included with the order that I made, so these are like extras, the mini, the go big or go home mascara. I actually have not tried their mascara, so I'm really excited to try it out. Now this one is the mini, and this is how the wand looks like. Judging by the wand, it actually is one of my favorite shape and the way it looks like. And this one is the tattoo liner. I do enjoy her tattoo liner. It's very black and doesn't bleed if you have wrinkly eyes. So I do really enjoy that one. So let's see what we got in the bag. So the first item from the bag is the Lock-It foundation brush. I actually own one, so we'll see. Maybe I will just include this in future giveaways. This one retails for $34 and it's not a sale item. So her brushes are actually really nice. I do enjoy them. I think I have a few of them. I have an eyeshadow brush and foundation brush. So this one is a win-win. Thing that I got is their setting spray. So this one is actually her full-size one, to which is retail for $29 and it's not a sale item. Another surprise. All right, I have never tried her setting spray, so I'm really excited to try and see how it holds on. And as a matter of fact, actually I'm going to spray myself a little bit and see how it smells at least. There we go. Ooh, smells actually very nice. I love the spray itself. It doesn't put too much product. It feels like a little mist. Ooh, I'm excited about this one. So the next thing that I see is a little bag. Ooh, guys, this feels like pleather. Wow, you guys, this one is really nice. Look at that. That's a very nice makeup bag. This one is definitely going to my drawer of travel kit or just enjoy it. It's actually very well made. I am shook, honest to be. Like, I'm already having 3 items and they're, wow, okay. The next thing, I knew it's coming because I think she revealed it, and this is the contour palette. I don't know about you, but I already had her powder contours and I do have her cream contour palette, and I love. I love the shades. They're not too orangey, not too ashy, so it's a perfect shade. I am super excited to get this one. I ran out of the powder, so this one is the powder. This is, I think, is the light one. I don't know if it's the refillable one because I know that she has the refillable ones. This one is refillable, so you can, if you run out of them, you can refill it, to which I'm super excited because there are a few shades that I usually ran out pretty quickly, and especially if this one in the middle, and sometimes these two. This one retails $49. Like, this by itself is almost 50 bucks. What? So the next thing I see here is the Metal Crush. We all know I love me some highlighters. I never own any KVD highlighter, so I'm really excited for this one. It looks very pretty, you guys. This color, you guys, is absolutely gorgeous. Oh wow, that's intense. That is very intense. Now this is gonna look really nice when I'm a little more tan, or it would go on top of my blush. It would actually look really nice. It actually will look really gorgeous as an eyeshadow too. Now this one is in the shade Gamma Ray, and as I'm checking right now, it's on sale for 15 bucks. For that pan, 15 bucks, it's awesome. Normally it retails 30. As I said, I did expect some items that are normally on sale, but I am not upset at all, you guys. These are some cool stuff. Next one, we got a tattoo liner in the shade Mad Max Brown. Now, I don't own any brown eyeliner, so this is a really nice. That's a deep brown. And I love the tip because the tip is very thin. Like, take a look, guys. It reminds me of something between a regular and a micro. I love her tattoo liners. Another item that's actually not on sale. Wow. So this one retails for $21. So we have 3 more left. Because the next thing is the anti-precision pencil. Now I have never tried her pencil, so I'm super excited to give it a try. And I am always wearing black, so that's a huge plus for me, even though I love color too. So this is my first experience with her pencils. Now this is how it looks like, you guys. It goes up. Oh, like this is how much product you're getting. And it retails at $19. And another item that is actually not on sales. Wow. And that is another bingo, my friends. We have 2 items left, and one of them is her Everlasting liquid lipstick. This one is in the shade Requiem. Oh my god, I am always so bad at pronouncing stuff. Now this one is kind of pale violet. Now I'm not a fan of that kind of color on my lips. I don't wear it. However, I do use liquid lipsticks sometimes on the eyelids or as an eyeliner. It's actually pretty cool, and this color is nice. Now let me show you on my hand how it translates. Her lipsticks always been one of my favorite. They're so lightweight and you can't really feel them, and they're long lasting. Now this is the color. I don't know, actually I don't mind it. I might enjoy it, you know. I don't mind it. Now that I look on my skin, it doesn't look that light. I thought it would look a lot lighter, but it doesn't look that light. So I might actually wear it. Oh wow, this one, guys, is on sale. So if you like the color, grab yourself one because it's only $5. Normally her liquid lipsticks are at $20, so this one is $5, you guys. Check it out. If you like the color, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box, so go ahead and grab yourself one. Holy guacamole. So the next one is a very nice brown dark nude color. Check it out. Now this one is bow and arrows. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful brown. I'm definitely gonna wear this. This one is gonna look so nice on days that you're gonna pop your lashes or just mascara on and make those lips poppin'. It's a beautiful brown color. Check it out, guys. Not orangey, not too ashy. It's a perfect brown. I am so excited. Let me do some numbers. I am totally shook because even with the items on sale, the bag came to $207.50. I am totally shook, you guys. Like, the bag itself came with all the items on sale, so I counted the items, the value that is on sale, right? I paid $70. What? I am speechless. Wow. This is hands down the best mystery box I've ever gotten. KVD, you blew me away. And that without mentioning these two little ones. I am super excited to try all of this. Some of it is new to me, some of it I've had it in the past and I loved it. Now I definitely have a lot of liquid lipsticks, and believe it or not, I do not have these shades. So I'm very excited with everything that I got in my mystery box. I am beyond words, surprised, happy, and excited. Now, I believe the KVD Mystery Box is sold out because I tried to find it on their website and it's not. If I'll find a link to it, I'll definitely leave it in the description box. However, I will be leaving the link with all the products that I've mentioned today if you want to grab yourself anything that you saw and like. Other than that, you guys, I love you. Let me know, what should I review next? Or do you like mystery bags? Or do you like the unboxing videos at all? Let me know in the comments down below, and I love you, and I'll see you in my next one.